Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set time and date on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, some of you rely on the device time and date settings to schedule tasks, alarms, reminders, and automated actions. Accurate time settings ensure that scheduled tasks are executed at the correct times. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. So please scroll down and select the system option. And then within this menu, find out and select the date and time option. So here, you will find two options for setting the date and time automatically on your device. If you prefer to set the date and time manually, toggle off the automatic settings. Click on that to update the date on your device. And then proceed to click on time to adjust the time according to your requirements. Furthermore, in this section, you can also set the time zone to ensure that your device reflects the correct local time based on your location. Adjusting these settings allows for accurate timekeeping and synchronization on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set time and date on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.